Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nasalli ala rasulihil karim. So alhamdulillah, we discussed numbers 1 to 10. Then we discussed the tens. And then we also discussed putting the tens and the units together. Now we're moving on to mi'a and alf, which is 1,000 and 100. How do we use these? So if you look at it here, we have the word alf and mi'a. So let's say, for example, we have the word mi'ata amin. What do we have? Mi'ata am. So mi'a means 100, yes? Now how is mi'a used? Mudaf, mudaf ilayh. So the structure is mudaf, mudaf ilayh, yes? Adad and the ma'dood. And in terms of the, there's no qiyas concord issue because mi'a stays mi'a all. There's never mi'a of mi'a without the ta. And this is always singular. So it's mudaf, mudaf ilayh, and it's singular. You get it? So mi'a is mudaf, mudaf ilayh becomes whatever. And adad and ma'dood. Okay? Same with alf. It's mudaf, mudaf ilayh structure. And the adad and ma'dood. Again, mudaf, mudaf ilayh. There's no issue about qiyas concord. And shahrin becomes mudaf and mudaf ilayh. Yeah? Yes? Okay. Now, if you want to now make like 300 or 3,000, what do you do then? What will happen? You will look at them individually. So now you say, so now because mi'a is what? Mudhakkar mu'annas? Mu'annas. So because it's mu'annas, what do you have to have now? Qiyas concord. So then which form do you use? The mudhakkar form. Yes? And then this will be mudhaf, mudhaf ilayh. 300. And now, then what happened after that? Same here. This is adad. This is the adad and ma'dood. So this is a number. This is the number quantifying this. But then this itself is a number quantifying that. Now mi'ati rajul, mudaf, mudaf ilayh, singular. It doesn't change. And then here, same thing happens. Mudaf, mudaf ilayh. And then this is adad and ma'dood. Yes? So in summary, what happens? You have, if it's the mi'a stays singular all the time. And even then, remember the rule of thalatha was what? If you have 3 to 9, it's mudaf ilayh and plural. But the word mi'a and alf don't change. You get it? So safara al-musafirun mi'ata mil. How do you do this? This becomes the fa'il. And musafir is the fa'il. And how this shows mi'ata mil, 100 miles, maf'ul fi. It becomes the maf'ulun fihi. Now how does this work? Mi'a is the phrase. Mi'a becomes the adad. And mil is the ma'dood, the thing being quantified. Yes? And the mi'a is what? Becomes what form? Mudaf, mudaf ilayh. Yes? Got it? Raja'a tis'u mi'ati hajin al-yawm. How do you do this one? Right, so raja'a is what? Raja'a means it's a fa'il, to return. Yes, we have the fa'il here. Okay? And then now, who's returning? This is a fa'il. Haj is what? Haji. And al-yawm becomes the maf'ulun fi, correct. So you have the maf'ulun fi. Yes? Now this is a number. This has a mi'a, has an adad and a ma'dood. So how many hundreds? 900. So mi'a is feminine, tis'a is masculine, qiyas concord. And then in mi'a haj, there's no such issue. Mi'a says as it is, and haj. So then we say here, this is mudaf, mudaf ilayh. And then you can put also put a block here. This is also adad. This is ma'dood. And then this is mudaf to this one. This becomes mudaf ilayh. And this becomes what? Adad, and this becomes ma'dood. Make sense? So now I think we've completed all of the numbers. So let's summarize it. What do we have here? So first of all, if we categorize it in terms of structure, the only structure that's not mudaf, the odd structure basically is this one, 1 and 2. And if you look at it really, it's not even a number, it's mawsuf sifa man'ut na. So 1 and 2 is man'ut na. For example, waladun wahidun and bintun wahida, yeah? Okay? So then they're agreeing everything because it's man'ut na. Now, if you look at the rest of them, Look at the rest of them. Let's go to the second category. Now we have here mudaf ilay in 3 to 10. Yes? And then we have mudaf ilay hundreds and thousands. Yeah? So these are mudaf ilay in 3 to 10 and 100 and thousands. The difference in, what's the difference between them? The mudaf ilay in 3 to 10 is what? Plural. And the mudaf ilay here is what? Singular. So for example, 3 children, ثلاثة أولاد. And 3 girls, ثلاث بنات. ثلاثة أولاد and ثلاث بنات. And when it comes to 100 and 1,000, you have مئة ولد. مئة ولد. So this is plural, and this is what? Singular. And مئة بنت, the gender doesn't change. So this is gender afterwards. Singular, singular. Yes? And in terms of gender, what happens here? Qiyas take concord here and changed here. So summary is, the first set, 1 and 2, man'ut not, piece of cake. Second one is 3 to 10, 100, beginning and end, the sandwich. Beginning is what? Mudaf ilay. Ending is mudaf ilay. The top of the thing, what does it have? The top of the burger has what? Sesame seeds. It's a bit odd. Qiyas concord. The bottom is a plain simple burger, no changes. Yes? Like my code, like my code. Yeah? So you got the burger. This is our top burger. This is our burger at top. Because it's a bit weird, you have to have what? Qiyas concord. And the bottom burger, this plain piece of bread. Somebody looks at that one. And in between, what do you have? The main thing is the tamiz, the burger, tamiz. Yes? Now in tamiz, what happens now? You categorize it into groups. The 1 and 2s, 1 and 2s. And the 3 to 9s. It's like a McDonald's, like all layers upon layers, right? And then the 10s on its own. Okay. So in 11 and 12, what happens? So if you look at the 1 and 2s, so the 1 and 2s, they take from there. Because 1 and 2s, what happens? Is man'ut nat. So it's not man'ut nat here, but 1 and 2 will do what? Agree. So whether it's 11 and 12, or whether it's 21, 22, what happens then? So for example, ahada ashara waladan, masculine. So there's a mistake here. Look. It's not ihda ashara, it's what? Ihda. Because what? They both match. So ihda ashrata. So that's a mistake in the printout. You need to change that. So again, so 1 and 2, ahada ashara waladan. What comes in the Quran? Inni ra'aytu ahada ashara kawkaban. Kawkaban masculine, ahada ashara. And when it's feminine, ihda ashrata ayna. Or ithna ashrata ayna. Yeah? So, ihda ashrata, both feminine. Because that happens even here. So, wahidun wa thalathun, wahidatun wa thalathun. Walad masculine, feminine. But thalathun does not change because thalathun is always what? Same gender, neutral gender. And in the 3s to 10, it has what? Qiyas concord, following on from here. Because what? The 3s and 10s have Qiyas concord. So even these 3 and 10 will have walad is masculine, thalatha will be feminine. Feminine, masculine, but then the second will have the opposite of this one. Yeah? You got it? Can you summarize again? One more time, right? So let's go. Because this can be quite challenging. I personally found it difficult myself. Okay, so let's start again. Right, so how do you go? The summary is, first of all, let's eliminate the first one. It's very easy. This is what? This is what? This is our 1 and 2 man'ut na. So this is very simple. They agree in everything. Yes? Then after that we have, let's use here, we have mudaf ilay structure. Yes, mudaf ilay structure. This is what? This is mudaf ilay. And this is also going to be what? Mudaf ilay. Yes? Yes, we've got 2 mudaf ilay. Difference is what? This is plural, and this is what? Singular. This is Qiyas concord. This is unchanged. Because thalatha and thalatha to have 2 different forms. Mi'ah and alf don't have feminine forms. So it just stays as it is. Yes? So these are singular, plural, singular, Qiyas concord, unchanged. Yes? Let's go to the middle. 10s. The 10s, they're neutral in gender. They don't change. It's a bit like mi'ah and alf. They don't have a feminine form. So you just have ishruna, thalathun, arba'un. Yes? Now, when you have 10s, so basically these 2 are the same. this and this is similar. When you have the tens, you look at the 1 and 2s. 1 and 2s, what did they do? They carry on from here. The 1 and 2s carry on from there. What happens to the 1 and 2s? They sing all of these numbers, apart from the beginning, they're all what? Singular. You see? And the 1 and 2s, the only issue is the gender. So 1 and 2 agree like this. 1 and 2 agree like this. And the 3 to 9s have what? Cast it, concord. So that's a summary of the numbers. Remember, here's a mistake. Not ihda ashara, it's ihda ashrata. Yeah. Got it? Yeah, hope that summarized the numbers. Yeah. Subhanallah, bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.